Welcome back, dear children. Welcome back to Sudarshana Madam's class. So today we will be doing exercise 1.5 from chapter 1, number and numeration, from Learning Maths for grade 5. In this video, we have decided to break down exercise 1.5 into two parts. This session will be dealing with part A of exercise 1.5, in which we will be doing and solving question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the next session, we will be doing the rest of the questions. So please stay tuned. So let's see what question number 1 has for us. Write the successor and predecessor of the following numbers. Okay, now this type of question we've already done in exercise 1.1 if you remember. But here we will be dealing with little bit of larger numbers. So let's see what number A has. Here we have got 14,67,518. Okay, and when we want to find the predecessor, the rule is same. We just minus 1 from the ones place. So when we minus 1, the ones place get reduced by 1. So if this is 8, it becomes 7 and the rest of the digits remain the same. That is 146751 remains same, and then 8 minus 1 will give you 7. Okay, so we end up with 14,67,517. Now for successor, what do? We add 1 because we want to find the next number. Like predecessor is the previous number, successor is the next number. This was already explained in exercise 1.1. So when we want to find the successor, we will just add 1. And again, the ones place gets affected. 8 will get changed into 9 in the ones place because of addition of 1. Rest of the digits remain the same. That is 14,67,518 becomes 519. Okay. Now, if it is 90 lakh, then when we minus 1, if you have any confusion regarding this, what is going to be the answer, then please go for the rough column and get it done. So when we go to the rough column, say 90 lakh minus 1, we need a lot of borrowing here. 9 becomes 8 when we borrow 1. This becomes 10. And again for shifting, okay, we get this converted into 9. Shift 1 here. Again, the same process continues. Okay, 9, 10 in the hundreds place, getting converted to 9 because 1 is given to the tens place, making it 10 tens. 10 tens will not exist because it gets converted to 9 tens, and the ones is being given with 10. I mean 1 is being shifted to the 0 place in the ones place, and so we get 10 ones. So 10 ones minus 1 will give you 9. 9 tens minus nothing will give you 9 tens. 9 hundreds minus nothing will give you 9 hundreds. 9 thousands minus nothing will give you 9 thousands. 9 ten thousands minus nothing will give you 9 ten thousands. 9 lakhs minus nothing will give you 9 lakhs. And since this was converted into 8, so we have 18 lakhs. So we have actually here 89,99,999 after minusing 1. So we can very well write that down here. Okay. Now when you want to add 1, that is very simple. So nothing doing in the rough work. We can just do it simply here by adding 1 to the ones place. Okay. So it becomes 90 lakh 1. Moving on to the next one. Here we have 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. When I minus 1 from the number, the ones place gets reduced by 1. So I have 9 crore 99 lakh 99,998 instead of 999. When I add 1, now what happens? See. So how many digits are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit, greatest 8 digit number. Okay. This is the biggest 8-digit number. So when I add 1 to the biggest 8-digit number, since it was the biggest 8-digit number, it cannot expand anymore. It cannot become any more bigger. So now what happens when I add 1, it becomes the smallest 9-digit number. Isn't it? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The smallest 9-digit number. So 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999 becomes 10 crore. Going to the next question. Again, we have here 1 crore and 1. When I minus 1 from it to get the predecessor, I just get 1 crore. The 1 in the ones place vanishes by subtraction. Now, when I want to find the successor, then I add 1 to the ones place, so I get 1,0,0,0,0,0,0,2. Okay. So coming to the next one, it's the same process. When I have 51 crore 75 lakh 1050 and I want to minus 1 from it, I just cannot minus 1 from this 0, isn't it? Ones place, usually I've kept on saying key minus 1 from the ones place, but here the ones place is 0. So I'll take the tens place as well. So I'll take 50 here. 50 minus 1 I will do. So when I do 50 minus 1, would I end up with 49? So rest of the digits remain the same. That is 5175010, 5175010. Only 50 minus 1 becomes 49. Okay. Moving on to the successor part. When I add 1 to 50, I get 51. So rest of the digits remain the same. 5175010. Okay. Only 50 becomes 51 by virtue of addition. Question number F is 23 crore 47 lakh 6,811. So when I minus 1 from the ones place, again I will end up with 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Rest of the digits remain the same. So 2, 3, 4, 7, 0, 6, 8, 1 will remain the same. Only 1 minus 1, ones place become 0. This is for predecessor when I minus 1. When I want to get the next number, I have to add 1. So when I add 1, I get the ones place is increased by 1. So the ones place which was 1 here becomes 2. Rest of the digits remain the same. 2, 3, 4, 7, 0, 6, 8, 1 remain the same. 2, 3, 4, 6, 0, 6, 8, 4, 7, 0, 6, 8, 1 remain the same. Next we have question number 2 here, which says insert greater than, lesser than or equal to symbol. So we have to compare this. Let's see the first number A. What numbers do we have here? 6356322 and 6354432. Okay, we have the same number of digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So since both are 7-digit numbers, so we cannot decide at the onset which one is greater. Had one of them been of greater number of digits, we could have easily come to the conclusion that is greater. Now for this one, let us see. We've got 6 in the first place, 3, 5. 6, 3, 5 is same for both. Okay, so we will go for the next digit. Next digit, which comes next. What is it? What do we have? In the first one, we have 6, and the second one, we have 4. So naturally, 6 is bigger than 4, so we give the greater than symbol in this direction. Okay, coming to number B. Let's see again, this two numbers again are of same number of digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now let's see what are the digits involved. We have got 900, 900, okay, same here and here, 900. Let's go for the next digit. This is 0 and this is 4. So this is the decider. Which one is bigger? 4. So we get the symbol in this direction. Okay. Coming to number C. Number C has got again the same number of digits. So we will go for the first two digits. First two digits is same for both, 30, 30 and 30 for both. The third digit is a decider. Here we have 0 and here we have 4. So the 4 is naturally bigger than 0. So we have the symbol is this direction. Okay, that is we will have to decide that 30 crore 40 lakh 42,889 is bigger than 30 crore 42,889. Okay. Okay, question number D is very easy, much easier than the others where you have to compare, because here we the first two digits will give you which one is bigger. Here we have both are 8-digit numbers. Now first two digits are 15 and 11. So which one is greater? Of course 15 is greater than 11. Okay. Moving on to the next question, arrange in ascending order. Here we've got some large numbers in which you have to put it in smaller to higher category. Okay. The first will come the smaller numbers, that will be followed by the little bigger and the bigger and the biggest number. Since we have got four separate numbers here, so let us compare these numbers. All over here are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7-digit numbers. All are 7-digit numbers. Okay, now let us see which will give us a breakthrough as to how to arrange. Let's see the first two digits here. 12, first two digits 22, 18 and 20. So from this first two digits we can understand which one is the smallest one. 12 will be smaller than 18, 22 or 20. This will be followed by 18 because 18 is smaller than 20 and 22. Next in line should be 20. Okay, and then finally 22, which will be the biggest. So now after deciding in this way, we can just note it down in order. That is, number 1 will come first because it is the smallest one, followed by number 2, which is little bigger, and then number 3, which is bigger than number 2 and the biggest one of all, that is 22216675. Okay, so here we have the numbers arranged according to the sequence of increasing order, and I think it is quite easy to understand if we decide in this way which is the greater one. Okay, now coming to number B. See, we've got here again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits. Okay, here we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the 8th digit is also here. Okay, so undoubtedly this is the biggest one because the rest of them are of 7 digits. This is also 7 digits. So when I get the 8-digit number, this will be the maximum value. So I will place it at the end. Okay, so this will come at number 4, the last. Now let us decide which is the smallest and little bigger than that. Now if we consider the first two digits again, it is 21, 26 and 64. So 21 will be smaller than 26, of course, so we will write that first, followed by 26 and then 64. And finally we will write the 8-digit number. Okay, now coming to number 6. See, again we have here 7-digit numbers each. So the number of digits will not help you in deciding the greater number. So what we have to do here is again search for the first few digits. Okay, so if we search for the first few digits, we will see that if we go for two digits, then or even one digit, we find the 5 will be the smaller one. With the 5 will be the smaller. Now there are two numbers starting with 5, so I'll go for the second digit as well. This is 56 and this is 51. So naturally 51 will be smaller than 56. So 51 will come first, or rather 51. The number starting with 51 and the number starting with 56 will come next. Now remain the numbers starting with 8. So both are having 8 1 and 8 1 here. So we will go for the third digit. The third digit will be the decider. So the third digit is 3 here and 8 here, so 3 is smaller. So 813355 will be the next, and the last will be 81883666. So in this particular ascending order, we have not only looked into the first digit but the second digit also for deciding which one is bigger. And in the case of the number starting with 8, we have looked into the third digit as well to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger. And then after numbering them, please number them after you've decided and then put them in the order. Then you will never make a mistake. Coming to number D, here we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits each. Okay. So again we will go for the first two digits because here we have got two numbers starting with 3. So we will go for the first two digits. This is 12, 7, 3, 3, 7, 30. So if we take this as 32, if we take this as 37, 73 and 12, we can easily decide 12 is the smallest one. So we put a 1. We number it as 1. Next will be the one out of 73, 37 and 32. This should be second. So we put number 2 here. Out of 37 and 73 in the first two digits, certainly 37 will be the smaller. So we mark it as 3. And the last one, biggest one, will be the one starting with 7, 3. So after numbering them, we just put them for writing the answer, we just put them in the order of our arrangement decided. Okay. Number E. Again, all the digits are of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 digits. Okay. Since all the numbers are of 9 digits, we will the first two digits will again do the deciding job. It is 54 here, 34 here, 55 here, 44. So out of all this, 34 will be the smaller. So we'll number it as 1. Okay. After 34, let's see what are there. 54, 55, 44. So 45 will be number 2, occupying the second position in order of increase of value. And then we will be having 54 and 55. So 54 will be the next and 55 will be the biggest. So we number it as 1, 2, 3 and 4. And according to the numbers only, numbering that we have done, we will write it down when we write down for answer. Okay. So that is all for question number 3. Question number 4, again arrange in descending order. Now here we will be going from bigger to smaller. That is the number of larger value to the number of lesser value. Okay. So here we have got the digits of all our 7-digit numbers. Okay. So let us see what will help us in deciding the bigger number. Okay, so let's see the first two digits first. 66, 66 here as well, 66 here as well. Okay, 68. So 68 should be the biggest one. So we mark it as number 1. Rest for all of them are 66, 66, 66. So we go for the third digit, 667. Okay, 667 here also, 667. So this is not helping me to decide. I'll go for the next digit as well, 6678. 6678 here also, 6678 here also. So same till the first 4 digits. Then what will be the decider? The last 3 digits. Let us compare the last 3 digits. 125, 625, 225. So 125, 625, 225. Which is the smallest one? This is the smallest. Or rather, since we are doing descending number here, we will see which one is the biggest out of this. Okay. Because biggest out of the 4 numbers we've already decided as this one. Out of these 3 numbers, the biggest will be 625. So we will put it at number 2. Out of 125 and 225, 225 will be bigger. So we'll number it as number 3. And the least value will be the one which is bearing 125. Okay. So that means we have numbered it in the other direction, that is bigger to smaller. According to the numbers, now we will place the according to the numbering that we've done, we will now place the numbers so they will be in descending order. Okay. Now coming to question number B. Here we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are 8-digit numbers. Now let's see, the first two digits are same, 34, 34, and 34. Let's go for the third digit, 3, 4, 7, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, and 3, 4, 7. Okay, no clue. Go for the fourth digit, 3, 4, 7, 2. 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, and 3, 4, 7, 2. Still same for all. Let's go for the next one, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3. 3, 4, 7, 2, 3. 3, 4, 7, 2, 3. 3, 4, 7, 2, 3. Same. Now the next three digits will be then the decider. This 372, 273, 312, and 736. Now we will compare this. Out of this, 372, 273, 312, and 736, this is the biggest one. So I'll number it as 1. Out of this 372, 273, and 312, this is bigger. Next will come this, and finally 273. So now that you have decided which one is biggest, which one is next, and then next and all, so we will now arrange it in that order. Where we've written 1, which is the biggest one, will come first, followed by number 2, then 3, and number 4. Please be careful while noting down the answers in proper order so that there are no mistakes. Okay. Now we come to number C of question number 4. So the numbers are here. All are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits each. Okay. Now let us see if the first two digits might be the deciders. Yes, I think it is so. So here we have 23, here 24, 44, and 46. Now you only decide which one is the bigger. Yeah, your guess is correct. 46 will be the biggest one. So we mark 1 here. After 46, out of 23, 24, and 44, of course, 44 will be the next bigger. Okay, so we mark it as number 2. And out of 23 and 24, 24 will be bigger, so mark it as number 3. And 23 will be the smallest one, so mark it as number 4. Why are we marking it in this way? Because we are going in descending order. That's why we are marking the biggest one as number 1. So now after numbering, we will just write down these numbers in proper order as we have marked. Okay, so that will be much easier to do. Number D. Again here we have all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit numbers. So what we will do here, again we will start comparing with the first two digits. 67, 67, 67, 61. 61 is smaller than the rest. So this is the smallest one. So I will number this as number 4 क्योंकि ये सबसे last में आएगा. सबसे छोटा है, सबसे last में आएगा. ठीक है? After that, let me see what are the rest of the numbers. Okay. 67, 67, 67. So let's go for the next digit. Next is 671. 71, 671. Same for all. Okay. Next is 20, 20, 20. Same. I think the last 4 digits will be the decider. Here, last 4 digits here, and the last 4 digits here are different. So if I consider the last 4 digits, 6,915, 6,935, 5,953. Out of these 3 numbers, I think 6,935 should be the biggest one. So I will mark it as 1. Okay. Then, because this will be the biggest one, right? Next will be when compared between 6,915 and 5,953. Of course, 6,915 will be bigger. So if this is 1, this will be numbered as 2, and then this will be numbered as 3. Okay, and of course we have already decided which one will be the smallest one as number 4. So now that we have decided, we can just write them down according to the order that we have planned out. Okay, let's come to number E. Number E also has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits each in all the numbers. So let's see if the first two digits do the deciding for us. 90, 50, 90, 81. Right. So this will be the smallest one because it is 5050. This is the smallest one, and write it number 4. 81 will be smaller than, of course, 90s. So we will number it in number 3. Now we have to decide between this one and this one, which one is bigger. Okay. Now we will go for the third digit, 903, and here is 909. So 909 will be definitely bigger than 903. So we mark 1 as 909 and mark 2 in 903. Now we've marked all the orders 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we write it down according to this order: 90901188, 90901188. Number 2 is 903-88150. Number 3 is 8181-888, and then 5011-8815. So that is all for this session. In the next session, we will again continue with the rest of the sums, okay, of exercise 1.5. Bye-bye, children. Take care, and please tune in for the next session and keep watching the videos and learning maths in a better way. Okay, so bye for now. See you again.